Well, welcome to my channel. Good morning. This is Vinish again with one more video that is very useful for your examination. And we were discussing lots of things, that is basically the fourth unit, that is geopolitical regions in Asia and Africa. So, in our syllabus, in geopolitical regions or geopolitical countries in Asia, that we were discussed so many countries, that including Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, likewise like Israel. So we were discussed lots of countries, and one country that is located both in Asia and Africa, that is Egypt. And now we are shifting to the one of the most important continent in the world, that is Africa. So today's topic of discussion, that is South America, that is one of the prominent country located in African continent. So today's topic of discussion, that we are going to look into what are the major places of interest, and what are the major destinations, and how the geography of South Africa is important for its tourism attraction. Let us go through the content, and let us have a very good fruitful discussions. Okay, so you know that we are discussing the things based on certain notes that we gathered from internet only, and that notes including the basic Wikipedia pages and all those things. Okay, so let us have a fruitful discussion. So that is, it is known as the Republic of South Africa, RSA, something like USA, Republic of South Africa. It is one of the prominent country, means one of the wealthiest country in the world. Let us have the location. See, in Earth, the South Africa, that is located on the that southern part of Africa. See this green color, that is the South Africa. See that the green color, that is South Africa. Let us have a look in the map. See these are the places of interest, and these are the major countries. See this black dotted places, that is the major. See Cape Town is there. Then see there are lots of Port Elizabeth, Durban. See there are lots of countries. See these are the this is the map of South Africa. See how the major places are located. Fine. And see, you know that the capital, that is Pretoria, that is the capital of what, South Africa. See, there are see other than see, if you are comparing to some other countries, for example, in India, there is only one capital, that is Delhi. But in case of South Africa, see, that is executive, judicial, and legislative capital. So the executive capital, that is Pretoria, and for judicial, I think for court related or legal related capital, that is Bloemfontein, and the legislative capital, that is Cape Town. So the thing is, see, we are familiar with Cape Town and Pretoria. See, let us have a look. See, this one is the location. See, Pretoria, that is that symbol having some difference. See, Cape Town. See, you can see the Cape Town. This is the Cape Town, and this is the Pretoria. See, all the major places. You can see the major places. Port Elizabeth is there. See, it is something you can see the Indian Ocean. Okay, so all the major places are located on this map, and let us have a look about the geography of what South Africa. So the first image that showing the central plateau, central plateau of South Africa. Then it is the how the topography. So there are different type of topography, that is low level, low veld, that is something like a type of grass based on climatic and vegetation. Then there is a highland is there, See, you can see the map. See, these are the map. I think it is the silks. That is the basic geographical information. See, please go through the notes that that already provided for reference, and enough information. Lots of information was available on the note. You just go through the notes, and you can ask your doubts. These are the climatic classification, climatic difference on the what South Africa. So the major climate, that is tropical rainforest, tropical monsoon that something related to India, tropical savanna, arid desert hot climate is there, arid desert cold climate was there, arid steppe hot climate was there, arid steppe cold climate, temperate dry summer, hot summer, temperate dry summer, warm summer, temperate dry winter, hot summer, temperate dry winter. See, you can see the climate, and how the climatic difference affecting the South African nation. Fine. Please go through the notes that I already provided, and it's a place having rich variety of flora and fauna. Fine. That are the major details, and let us go through the major places of places of interest or major tourism attraction. So the first one is Cape Town was there, Kruger National Park, then Johannesburg is there, Durban, Table Mountain National Park is there, Pretoria, Harmas, Port Elizabeth, Ginsia National Park is there, Stelberg. See, there are lots of places of interest. You can see the photos that is attached with this. See, attached with this video, and please go through the videos, and you can ask your doubt, and I'm ready to ready for answering your question. Ready to answer your question. So it is a time for let us wind up the video, and please ask your question, post your comment, and I'm ready to answer for your questions. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Very thankful. Have a good day. This is Vinish. Thank you.